How to fix some Microsoft Cloud services couldn't be resolved on Windows. To fix some Microsoft Cloud services couldn't be resolved on Windows, try 1. Restart your PC. 2. Run Internet Connections Troubleshooter. 3. Update network adapter driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Reset Windows Network. 5. Remove VPN software, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, and / or remove proxy server, if any. 6. Fix potential network and internet connection problems. 7. Reset Windows 11.